Also know Grace Akofa. I am Grace Akofa. Oh my god, this is sounding nice. I have a disease, and this disease is self-diagnosed. I've had this disease for the longest possible of time. Decided to find a cure for this disease. This disease comes with different symptoms like the tendency to give up too easily and the tendency to give up midway. So it starts with me getting the excitement of starting something, and then midway I just lose the excitement that I began with, and that ends this year. After stumbling upon a video in December 2025, I decided to pick a skill. No, scratch that. I decided to pick a language that I'm going to be learning throughout 2026 by the grace of God. This language is going to help me deal with this disease that I have. Oh, I've forgotten. I haven't mentioned the disease. The disease name is inconsistency and procrastination. They're actually two. That's very bad. Anyway, I am going to pick a language, and that language is going to help me deal with both of these illnesses or disease. The lucky language that I'm going to be learning this year is, please give me, is Italian. I'm going to be learning Italian throughout 2026, and I pray to God that by December or January 2027, I would be a little fluent in Italian. I'm using apps such as Duolingo, Busu, and one other app to help me learn this language. So if you're an Italian watching this video and you want to teach me Italian, please and please write it down in the comment section so you teach me Italian, because I am an English person. I do not know Italian. So you will be my coach. And to all the others that are not Italians, you are going to be my accountability partner to keep me in check. Whenever I do not post about my weekly updates on what I've learned in Italian, you are going to spam my account on my channel to draw my attention to do the video or to do my weekly updates or whatsoever, to keep me consistent and keep me on my toes. Okay, so all my accountability partners, please sign attendance in the comment section down below, because this year we are getting serious. Yeah. So here are the few words that I've learned from December 2025 in Italian. Ciao, I learned that ciao is hello. I've learned io sono. Io sono means I am. So I can say io sono Grace Akofa. I am Grace Akofa. Oh my god, this is sounding nice. I've learned piacere. Piacere means nice to meet you. I've learned mi chiamo. So if I'm introducing myself, I say ciao, mi chiamo Grace Akofa, or I say io sono Grace Akofa. I've also learned tu come ti chiami. What's your name? So in a conversation, I can be like, ciao, io sono Grace Akofa, or mi chiamo Grace Akofa, come ti chiami? Okay, so far those are the words and more. Oh, yes, I also learned buongiorno. Buongiorno is good morning. I've learned buonasera. Buonasera is good evening. Buonanotte. Buonanotte is good night. So yeah, buongiorno, buonasera, buonanotte to each and every one of you watching this video at the time that you are watching this. So this is Grace Akofa, your son Grace Akofa, and this year you're going to be helping me learn Italian and to overcome my two diseases that was self-diagnosed, that is inconsistency and procrastination. Thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. Please help me out to overcome these diseases this year. Thank you. Mizu, arrivederci.